Alrighty everyone, welcome to the Mac Life, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Facebook Marketplace account. If you've been banned on Facebook Marketplace, for some reason you can't get access, maybe you've never had access, I'm going to show you a workaround for all of these. It's what I use across multiple accounts, not just my own, but across hundreds of client accounts as well. I'm not going to sell you anything in this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix your Marketplace account. Let's get into it. Alrighty, now before we jump directly into the marketplace solution and fixing, I just want to let you know that you're part of my little social experiment at the moment. Throughout this entire year, for the last maybe 30 plus weeks, I've been using a video editor to edit all my videos, and it's been great. You know, the video quality has definitely improved, but I want to test a very minimally edited video such as the one today with no help from the editor and see where the views kind of correlate, if we're going to get the same amount of views or not. And to make sure that it's fair, I've chosen a topic that I know is a banger. It's going to help a lot of you, and marketplace videos have been my most watched videos. So that kind of gives it a fair comparison. Now let's jump into exactly how you can fix it. I'm going to show you a screen view of how to fix your marketplace. And if you look below in the description, I'm going to leave a template for you that you can use when you send this message. You have to send it exactly the same. It's very, very important. The template is crucial to making sure that the Facebook team will review and give you access to your account. We're actually in my Facebook account, and this is my Facebook account. If you want to do some brief stalking, go ahead, go nuts. You want to click up here in the top right hand corner of where it says account, and you want to come down to here where it says help and support. Now, you want to come to report a problem. Now, if you've done this before, you're thinking, you know, I've tried this method, it hasn't worked. That's because you haven't sent the right message. As I said, it's of paramount importance that you send the message correctly. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So we hit something went wrong, and then we go choose an area, and you want to scroll down here to where it says marketplace, okay? We hit marketplace. Now, here you want to include your name, okay? So Mackenzie, right? Mackenzie Thompson. I put my full name in there, okay? Next, you want to include, sales proof. So if you've sold anything using Marketplace before, you just want to write maybe a customer order ID, okay? Or customer order name. Either one of these is fine. If you haven't sold directly through the Facebook Marketplace gateway, you just want to go, account history proof. You want to basically verify the process that they have to go through themselves first. And then you want to just write, customer message names, and maybe put 3 or 4 of the names from people who have messaged you. Again, this is very, very important. So after you've done the name and the account history proof, you want to say, hey there, Facebook team. Oh my God, my spelling is horrible today. I woke up this morning, and it doesn't matter. If it's been a few days, you just want to say, I woke up this morning and found my marketplace account has had its access blocked. I need this fixed ASAP, please. This is very important, this next bit, as I believe this is a glitch, okay? Very, very important. I believe this is a glitch. Now, after that, you just want to write, I use Marketplace every day, and it helps both myself and my business tremendously, okay? Then you just want to say, thanks again for the help. Now, you want to give them as much information as possible. So you want to go ahead to your marketplace account where it says it's banned, take a screenshot, and then you're just going to hit submit, okay? They verified your name. They verified that, yes, you understand that there's been history on the account and you can prove that you had access. And then you've said, hey, there's been a glitch. Can you please help? Now, you want to send this exact same message every single day until you get access to your account. It might take 7 days. And a lot of people listening now are going, 7 days. If it's worth it to you, you will send it. It takes 1 minute. I'm going to leave a little copy paste style thing for you, as I said in the description, and you can go ahead and use that template. Okay, now the second way is my foolproof way to getting your account fixed. Okay, now you just want to come into your ads manager. If you don't have an ads manager yet, you just want to go ahead and create one. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video. That is another video for a different time. This is how to fix your marketplace account. That's what we're here for. Okay, if you want to look through that, just go search around on YouTube. Now you want to come into your account manager and you want to hit basically account overview, which is going to take you to this screen. They're just going to give you little messages. So here you've received a refund because they messed something up. Thank you, Facebook, for messing things up. Now you can see, okay, it's going to give you sort of a campaign trend, but you're also going to have this option right here, which says marketing expert, 4 calls remaining. Now I highly recommend that you use these. And you want to schedule your call, schedule your time. And it's very important that you tell them, hey, I use Marketplace a lot and for some reason it's blocked me out. Get as many details as you can and they will go ahead and actually manually submit a form for you as well. I found that has worked, 99% of the time to fix Marketplace accounts. So that is a very, very good way. It obviously takes a little bit more time, but make sure you write down all your other questions. Ask about Marketplace. Ask how the algorithm works. Get any detail you can off these experts. That's how you stay ahead of the game. It's very important while you're there as well to look at, I kind of look at it like the Limitless example. He pops those pills that give him sort of hyper intelligence, but eventually he runs out of pills and he doesn't think, at any point until he's really low, hey, these pills are going to run out. You've only got 4 calls. While you're there, build a connection and say, hey, is there any way that I can get more calls for the future? Build a connection with that rep, ask them for their Zoom, ask them if there's other ways to get calls. It's very important. There is. And again, that's info for juicy stuff in later videos. So you can go ahead into your account overview and set up a call with a marketing expert as well. That will almost always get your marketplace account fixed. Okay, now hopefully you've gone ahead, you've watched both of those suggestions. I highly recommend that you first send off the form and then second go ahead and schedule your call. Very, very important. And if you enjoyed today's video, I'm going to be giving you lots more tips, help, advice here on YouTube for free. So make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment as well, and subscribe. I tell you every time to subscribe. Hopefully this video hits the views that I expect with minimal editing, which means that I need to make some changes for the future, which is very, very important. So thanks for watching. It helps me out too. Last reminder for everyone listening, okay? I release my course tomorrow because I'm actually filming today when the YouTube video releases tonight. Tomorrow the course releases, it's capped to 20 people. Again, I don't have to put in any effort to sell. I have an active group of over 900 members already, plus thousands in an email list waiting to buy. It's capped to 20 people, but I'm going to be giving off tips like this. How to get an affiliate army to sell for you on Marketplace, fix Marketplace accounts with extra additional tips, how to set up different sales systems, get more Marketplace accounts, mix in Google Shopping, absolutely everything, and it's updated monthly. So if you're interested in that, that would be super cool if you check that out. Free Facebook group to join. Maybe you just want to join the group and watch the community space as well. So I'll leave a link for that. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed and safe week, and I'll see you next Monday. Ciao.